The Zimbabwe Manpower Development Fund was established by Section 23 of the Manpower Planning and Development Act of 1984, which has since been revised and is now referred to as the Manpower Planning and Development Act, Chapter 28.02. ZIMDEF is mandated to fund the development of critical and highly skilled human capital and innovation in Zimbabwe. It is a state enterprise under the Ministry of Higher and Tertiary Education, Innovation, Science and Technology Development.
ZIMDEF's vision is to be a resource mobilization hub for human capital development and innovation for an industrialized and modernized economy by 2030. ZIMDEF's key focus areas are to do with the funding of human capital development and innovation in Zimbabwe. These are the funding of 1. New knowledge creation. 2. Research. 3. Innovation. 4. Science, technological and engineering solutions. 5. Business enterprise.
The funds collected by ZIMDEF are channeled toward the promotion of skilled manpower in Zimbabwe. This is done through the support of apprenticeship training, the disbursement of industrial attachment allowance for students at polytechnic colleges, and also the funding of various innovation projects that are spearheaded by the Ministry of Higher and Tertiary Education, Innovation, Science and Technology Development. Some of these projects include the following.
This is a disease control, disease surveillance, and disease prevention center. This center was established in line with the Education 5.0, which states that education must produce goods and services.
This is Marondera University Agro-Industrial Park. This agro-industrial park has largely been funded by ZIMDEF. Most of the operations are now easier because of that equipment that was purchased by ZIMDEF for the university.
One of the major outputs that we would like to have is for our students to be able to graduate from the university and create enterprises of their own, where they will be farmers in their own right in terms of rearing of pigs and rearing of goats, rearing of poultry.
Welcome to Kwanda State University Agro Innovation Hub and Industrial Park. We have got the livestock station, that is Kekli, where we started to a total of 230 heifers under Agro Innovation Hub and Industrial Park for more beef and quality beef.
This DNA center does the IDing of plants, animals, all of these things. This DNA testing center became a very pivotal place for testing for COVID-19. So we're not only just testing, but we are also manufacturing the test kits. Thanks to ZIMDEF, the ministry, government, for making this machine available for testing as PCR testing.
ZIMDEF gets its funding from the 1% training levy remitted by employers every month, the rental income from leased properties, and interest from the fund's short-term investments.
Zimbabwe as a nation has embarked on a trajectory that seeks to transform the nation into a middle-income economy by 2030. The Zimbabwe Manpower Development Fund, ZIMDEF, therefore becomes a key enabler of funding the programs and activities that seeks to drive the attainment of this vision through the development of critical and highly skilled human capital and innovation.
ZIMDEF, supporting human skills development and innovation for modernization and industrialization.